How to do a pink glittery snowflake or star. First, you're going to start out with some paper towel rolls and mark them out to any width that you would like, and then cut them out. And I'm going to pinch the bottom. I'm going to put a little bit of glue, and I'm going to do 8 pieces. And I'm going to start gluing them together like this. I'm going to do all 8 around in a circle. Like that. And I have a pink glittery pipe cleaner, and I'm going to roll it into a swirl and cut it out. And then I'm going to glue that down in the center of my star or snowflake, like that. So now you can use it like that, or you can just glue some smaller little swirls like I did here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this paper roll Christmas ornament. And if you want to be more elaborate, now you can fold some of the circles and glue them down in between each of the larger petals like this. So it's a little bit fancier. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this paper roll star Christmas ornament. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.